2016 Ford Explorer Sport EcoBoost. Still got all the stock converters, one here, then a secondary converter on the back. Then we put a boardless system on it, a bolt-on system, but we always weld it all, so no leaks. True dualed all the way back. One muffler here, one muffler here. It's a true dual system. Looks absolutely beautiful and will sound beautiful, hopefully. Give it a nice deep tone. There it is, and it's got a really cute little resonator. See how different it is compared to before. Customer approved. They say you're supposed to get some horsepower too, Adam.
Yeah.
Opens it up. And it's a sport edition. EcoBoost all-wheel